guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Markeisha, and today I will be sharing with you my projects for the Christmas All Year collaboration hosted by Betty Scrap Passion 01. Today I have some fun projects, guys. I decided to go to my silhouette and see if I can find a Christmas file. I absolutely love anything Peeker Santa, Peeker everything. And so when I found these cute little SVG files, I knew I wanted to use them. So without further ado, let me just jump right in today. Here is the first Peeker Santa that I have. You'll see that I did this one a little bit different than what I did for the other little cups. So the SVG file comes with, everything that you see. I love that you can resize it. You can, make it whatever fun size you want. With this one, I decided to put the cup in the back here. And so you can add what you would like to give to someone from the back. As you can see here, I added a little hot cocoa mix here. And this could be a really cool, fun hot cocoa pack here, guys. So you can have the image on the front with the Peeker Santa and then add some goodies in the back and give this. This will be really fun for coworkers, to sing with your kids. I added some of the Nouveau glaze to the nose there. And this one is super cute. All right, here is the next one that I created. This is a snowman, and I love this one. I added some of the Nouveau glaze to the nose there. The colors were so fun. I decided to use some pattern paper for the hat there. And this one I left open in the front here, see? So you can actually put something there. And I love how this one turned out. So pretty. I was thinking I can even do this like the blue and white, like anything wintry mix is totally my thing. And I would go back and maybe add some snow to the little fur here and the little hat. Like, it is endless, guys, what you can do with this file here. So I thought this one was super cute. And then you can tuck something in the front. And so you see how I just kind of tuck these little Hershey candies in the front of this little pocket here. You can, again, you can even add it where on the sides you can put a little gusset there and make it a little bit more wider if you want to. But how cute is that? And then the last one is this adorable snowman. This one has the little top hat. I have some of the glaze on the nose there. And then I have like some little chocolate drizzled here, there. And so fun, guys. Look at this one. And then just like on the other snowman, you can simply add some chocolates or something there. For the little snowman, and it kind of looks like he's holding the snowman, holding the treats there. So I like how that looks. So fun, so cute. And on the silhouette file, they also have like a gingerbread there, so I didn't play with that one, and I believe it's one more that's on that SVG file there. And I will leave all of the SVG silhouette files for you guys to check out, just in case you're interested in recreating these projects here. So thanks, guys, so much for stopping by my channel on today. Don't forget to check the other ladies who are participating. I will have all of that information down in the description box. I'm sure you will be inspired on today. And guys, don't forget, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love if you take a moment and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you will know whenever I upload a video. All right, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you in my next crafty video. Bye now.